came to this factory a while ago. I was really impressed by the production facility here. Very impressed with the workmanship, the craftsmanship of the technician here, and the quality control and everything, and the way they go from the raw material all the way to the finished product. I mean, it's all meticulously well done, and yeah, I mean, it's a quality machine made by Buhler here in Vietnam, and there's a possibility that in the near future, I'll be considering getting Buhler machines for my rice mill. Yeah.